Hey there folks, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro. I'm upgrading from the iPhone 14 Pro. The features on the 17 Pro really pulled me over this time around, especially the front-facing camera. The upgrades they made there, that Apple made there, made it very enticing to upgrade. It has an 18 megapixel camera, front-facing camera now, and it has center stage, which is really cool, where you can basically shoot vertical but still capture in horizontal. And so that feature alone is really what pulled me over, because as a content creator, that's going to come in handy, and the improved quality will also come in handy. Now, before we get into the unboxing, first of all, my name is Adrian with Project Ramos. I'm a tech enthusiast, and on this channel, I cover the electronics tech topic, everything from tech opinion to videos like this, where we unbox new products and tech reviews. So if you're interested in those topics, definitely consider subscribing. Before we get into the unboxing, this unboxing video comes with a little bit of a backstory. I had already shot the unboxing video using my A7 IV camera, and for whatever reason, the entire thing was out of focus. It was focusing on the box that was in front of me instead of my face. I double checked all my settings after the fact, and I have everything set up right. It was supposed to focus on my eye. I don't know what happened there. I was going to put the video out as is, but I don't know. It bothered me way too much. So I figured this is an opportunity to actually use the new iPhone 17 Pro to shoot this video with. The unboxing still going to come from the video that I shot using my DJI Pocket 3 or DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So that video is still going to be coming from that camera. That one, no issue there. But my talking head portion of it shot with this camera is the one that was completely out of focus. So what you're seeing right now is video from the iPhone 17 Pro, the new one that I just unboxed, and I'm using the Blackmagic Camera App to be able to control the settings of the phone. And I'm not shooting an Apple ProRes log. I don't have any experience using that yet, so I still got to play around with that to see how it works, and you know what kind of workflow I need for shooting in log. However, I am shooting in 4K, 24 frames a second, and I'm upgrading from the iPhone 14 Pro, so I'm using that as a monitor, because Blackmagic, the Blackmagic Camera App, the latest update, allows you to control the app from one phone using another phone, which is very cool. And that's what I'm doing here. I've dialed in my settings using my 14 Pro, and I'm recording on my 17 Pro. Let me show you what this setup looks like here. So there's my 17 Pro right there. I've got it hooked up to a little hub here. That way I can have an HDMI out. I turned this little monitor off, the Atomos Ninja 5, but that's where I was making sure that all my settings were dialed in. And then here's my 14 Pro showing the real-time preview here, and as a matter of fact, there's hardly any lag. As you can see here, it's pretty spot on. So that's the setup there. This monitor is hooked up wirelessly to my 17 Pro, and it's controlling it, and I'm shooting with the back cameras. So now we're going to jump into the unboxing. The unboxing portion of it, no thrills there. Apple does minimal packaging, so it's pretty quick to unbox these things. And truth be told, whatever could go wrong went wrong with the original shooting of this video. During the unboxing, I had another hiccup, which you'll see as you watch through the unboxing. All right, now I received, or I bought the iPhone the 14 Pro when it came out. So it's been quite some time since I have updated my phone. All right. So the one that I went with was the iPhone 17 Pro. I think they're calling this one the silver. Yeah, I think it's the silver. Kind of strange that they didn't make a space gray version, as they always have. But nonetheless, this is the color that I went with, because the orange, it looked to me like a cool color, but it also looked to me like I might get tired of that color after a while. And the other color, the dark blue one, it just I don't know, it didn't really appeal to me. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy unboxed. In classic Apple fashion, packaging is now very minimal, as they're striving to improve sustainability. And here it is here.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, no. Well, it survived. No scratches. Boy. All right, so that pretty much lets you know that it's pretty durable. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's go ahead and peel off the top here. And there it is there. It is ready to be set up. Now in the box, you're going to get the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable that is now woven, which is real nice. I have a few of these, and I can tell you this woven material makes it very reliable in terms of preventing the ends from fraying there. So definitely a plus for these new cables. And then inside the box, you just get the regulatory information. Get this little card saying that you no longer need a SIM card. Kind of a waste there. But anyway, yeah. Just another little piece of paper there with some information, and that is it. Very minimal. All right, well, let's hit this power button here. And there's the famous Apple logo. So there you have it, folks. This video is going in my mail drop series, and that's where I'm going to be unboxing any new gadgets that come in as they come in. And if you're new here, again, I encourage you to subscribe. That way you get notified when I upload a new video. And also I want to let you know that we have a tech club. I put together my own social media platform website. There's no algorithms involved. There's no advertising. It's just a simple platform for us to have a two-way conversation. We can also have that two-way conversation here in the comments, but over in the Tech Club, I post all of my updates there. I also post to the regular social channels, but I really don't like playing those algorithm games, so that's low priority for me. My main priority now is posting in the Tech Club. You go to projectramos.club. That'll get you to the club. You don't have to sign up to see the content that's in there. However, I do encourage you to sign up. That way I know you're there. And in addition to that, you do have to be signed up to be able to comment and have a two-way conversation there. So go check it out, projectramos.club. Before you go, do me a favor and let me know in the comments what you think of the video quality coming out of the 17 Pro. Again, I'm not using Apple ProRes log, so the video quality could still be further improved, but what do you think of this here? Let me know in the comments.